One minor thing I'm not quite so pleased about is the pedal stowage. I think it's just a magnetic socket that you put it into when you get it at the right angle and it's in. It's not even going in. But come on. There we go. That's it. Okay, I've got it in. But you saw how easy it came out then. It's not very tight. And if this is parked in a drain or somewhere on its side, I think that pedal could quite easily just fall out. And then you've lost the pedal. That's unfortunate. So I think one of the first things I'm going to have to do is find a bungee that I can put around here just to clip the pedal in when it's stowed off away from here. So I would like that to be a little bit more positive as a pedal stowage. Yeah, so it's a minor thing. Well, the magnet, I'm going to assume it's something like a neodymium magnet. From the pedal stowage on my Brompton G line, it's come adrift. It was stuck onto the end of that part of the pedal. You can see just coming into focus there, and should be in the bottom of that hole. Now I've tried dropping it into the hole, but it won't stay there. It keeps coming out on the end of the pedal shaft there. So all I can see when I look down the hole, you can't see it, it's too dark there, is the end of some metal part. And I've no idea how the rest of whatever's in there works. There is a cap head screw or a hex socket screw on the other side, and there's something underneath here which is holding up the mudguard, a mudguard bracket under there. If I tilt this back, there should be enough light to just about see the if I move out of the light, sorry, if I move out of the light, you can see that there. So I don't know what happens if I remove that. And I think in order to try and find out what's going on, I'm going to have to remove that, see if there's something that goes all the way through. Let's see if I can repair my brand new Brompton. Just to note that the hole that this bolt came out of is a tapped hole. I mean, this is it just slides in and threads into the end of that, the metal part that is the pedal stowage socket. So as another function, I guess that hole is tapped. That as a mudguard support or something else, I don't know, but there's definitely a tapped hole in there. If I pull back a bit, you'll see that just slides in to the hole. Well, I was concerned about how well the pedal held in the stowage right from when it was in the shop. Now I've glued that cylindrical magnet back into the bottom again. That's a much nicer click into there, and it needs a better pull to take it out. So I'm pleased with that. And I guess even when it was in the shop, the little magnet at the bottom wasn't secure. So some good super glue, a thicker rather than thinner super glue in there, cleaned out the hole with some tissue on a coffee stirrer. So I've still got wet super glue on the end of there and on another tissue, but that has gone off enough now to hold the magnet in place. Time for reassembly. Yes, that's a much better sound. getting it lined up. It's a little bit, there we go, that's in. And it doesn't feel like it's about to fall out straight away. Yeah, needs a bit of a pull to pull it out. So when the magnet's in and fixed in at just the right depth, you're okay. Good.